for having the plates in the windshield?
Oh yeah. They don't like it.
Alright, got some parts in today. Got R34 GTR wing, full carbon fiber with the June high rise stands, and then got the Type R lip kit for the Honda. So this thing is super lightweight, especially for a wing. Incredibly lightweight, full carbon GTR wing here. Absolutely incredible looking wing here. Super sad that it's not going to go on the R34 that I once owned just a few weeks ago, but actually selling it to the owner that bought the R34 for me. So I told him that I already ordered the wing. Everything is carbon fiber, so definitely looks amazing, looks really good. Really happy with it. Carbonetics out in Australia, if you guys aren't familiar with them, they deal with obviously a lot of carbon fiber parts. So if you guys are looking for anything, they outfit a lot of vehicles, and as you can see, their work is pretty good. So highly recommend them. Shipping time is quite lengthy, but if you're willing to wait for a good quality product, here it is. And now let's get to the Honda Civic parts. So first up looks to be the front lip. Yeah, definitely looks like the front lip here. So let's take this out and see what it's looking like. All right, so it comes with pre-existing cut holes, which is really nice. Comes with some hardware. Might upgrade the hardware, not sure yet, but that lip is gonna look good on there. Next up, okay, we got the Type R grill and then the Type R rear lip here. It's all together, so let's pull this thing out. We've got the Civic Type R front grill, and comes with the mesh and some hardware. So really cool kit, since it comes with everything basically you need. Just bolt it up, because the Civic is going to paint next week. So I definitely want to prefab the lip kit, make sure everything's lined up nice for paint, so when it does go out there, it's ready to go and get installed and painted. So let's get to installing this thing. All right, R34 is here. About to install the GTR wing on it. See how it looks, just a few bolts, and get this thing on. All right, got the wing off. Just a few bolts, nothing crazy. Actually, I've never seen this thing with, going wingless. What do you guys think? Side profile. Actually looks really clean. It looks really good. But of course, full carbon GTR wing is gonna look a lot better, so let's get that thing on. Looking incredible. Oh my gosh. Getting regrets selling this car already looking at this. So super clean. That's it. That was the last piece of the puzzle right there. Definitely completes the Skyline for sure. Dimitri's gonna be installing the rear splats as well. So once that's done, he's gonna take it to the paint shop, paint the large piece there. He's gonna leave carbon fiber, and then the rear bumper there. Oh man, it looks insane. It looks so good. Completes the whole car for sure. Oh my gosh, that looks Oh, so freaking good.
Wait till we do the tail lights
So
too.
good.
We still gotta do the tail lights. Tail lights would probably just be like
Yeah.
the last like immediate finish.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna be insane. Looking good, man. All right, prefab the Type R rear lip. Looks awesome.
Yeah, I'm a fan of it.
Definitely gonna have to get a little bit of 3M tape just to really secure it in place, but the fitment is, I would say 9 out of 10. So super happy with it. Can't wait to get it painted and get it on there. So looks good. I'm gonna just leave it on there until I go to paint next week. So sweet. Now time to finish off this wing over here. All right, just finished up installing the wing. Looking amazing. Obviously it's nighttime, you can't really see it. And then we also did the Type R front lip and Type R grill. So got a nice facelift on the Honda, looking good. You know, needed the extra hands to get the fitment just right on it. Took off the mud flaps on the Civic as well. So it's, you know, has that sleek body style now. It doesn't have those mud flaps, you know, looking old fashioned. So loving the new facelift on it. Can't wait to get it painted. It's gonna look so freaking good. So got the Type R front lip, grill, and the rear lip installed. So I wanted to test fit it today, get all the holes marked up, everything lined up. So when it goes to paint, all I have to do is take it off, and I have those holes already good to go for the fresh paint. So. Got some new spoon wheels for the Civic. Looking awesome. They look great. All right, so let's open these wheels up that we got from Up Garage. So these are the Spoon CR93s. Pretty rare because they're the 4x100 bolt pattern, and they just don't make these wheels anymore. So these are discontinued. They are yellow though, which is pretty aggressive for what I'm gonna do with this Civic. Daily driver, you know, it's not gonna have crazy, you know, track body kit or super wide wheels or anything like that. So I'm gonna have these painted white to match the car, which will kind of give it that you know, Type R style wheel. But of course these are going to be spoons. So once you get up close and you see the Spoon logo and all that, you'll know that it's the Spoon wheel. So, but let's test fit it next to the car, see how the yellow and white would look. So what do you think with the yellow and white? Right, the iconic Spoon yellow, which is super awesome that it came in that color, but I just don't know, for for a daily driver that's a little too aggressive with, you know, just the Type R kit, nothing crazy. The yellow just for me is a little too much. I think the white on white, give it that Type R look. I think it would look pretty good if I did decide to just keep the yellow, but the car's going to paint. So the Civic's going to paint next week. So I will be taking the wheels to go get it painted as well. But super happy with it. Stoked that the wheels came in.
Yeah, you got watch out for the Honda.
So we're out here tonight at the Friday Night Hard Park. Got the EK9 rolling up. Type R, looking clean as always. Holes right here. Can't wait to to get my lip painted. Need it painted. Just came across this Sylvia, looking super clean. Never really see them in stock form here. They usually have something going on, but yeah, it looks completely stock. Super nice. I'm actually starting to really dig like the stock look of these cars out here, just because everything's always modified out here. Just seeing something clean in its, you know, original form, just something to appreciate about it. But thanks for sticking around. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. Catch you guys next time.